Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program a Nissan Murano key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your Murano is in the park position and all its doors are securely closed and locked. This preparation ensures a smooth programming sequence. Having everything ready beforehand saves time and prevents interruptions during the process. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within a 10-second window. You'll know you've succeeded when the hazard lights flash twice. Next, turn the ignition to the ACK position, then immediately turn it off. This action prepares the vehicle to accept new key fob signals. It's a crucial step for the system to recognize your programming intent. Now, take your first key fob and press any button on it once, then release. The vehicle's doors will lock and then unlock, signaling that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. For any other key fobs you need to program, simply repeat this exact step for each one. This method ensures every fob is correctly linked to your Murano system. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the on position. Then, remove the key from the ignition entirely. This action finalizes the programming sequence. Now, it's essential to test every single key fob you've programmed to confirm they all function correctly. Check the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons to ensure full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.